Hello everybody, today we will be installing a set of Spec D headlights on our O2 1.8T Beetle. The factory headlights on these, they're the classic Volkswagen Beetle design, very recognizable, but in this day and age they look quite dated, and ours are they're pretty hazy, and they have some other issues. And overall, for the look we're going for the car, I think an aftermarket set will look a lot better than the stock set. These Spec D headlights have some cool halos in them for that extra street cred, along with some eyebrows. I like to call them eyebrows because they kind of look like they're angry eyebrows for the headlights. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get to work. Alright, so we're out at the car now. First step for this install is going to be, of course, popping the hood. So I'll go ahead and do that. So then the headlights on these are kind of held in a weird way. There's like some... How are these held in? See, the weather stripping straight up broke out of that.
Do you think that's the stock like headlight?
Yeah, that's a stock headlight. So yeah, we better hope these ones work. That is not supposed to be... That's like Gorilla Glue. That's supposed to be like gasket sealed. Yeah, this lens, this is not how it's supposed to be. This is straight up Gorilla Glued on. So this assembly is a little bit messed up. So hopefully I can still get that out. Normally there's like a little lever that you just push down on and then it should come out. But this lever is straight up missing. And yeah.
They come out.
There we go. Okay.
Did you unplug it already?
Now unplugged. Alright, so that one's out now. Now the harness on this side doesn't want to come out. These wires are all messed up. So I'm just going to cut those off. So now we'll go ahead and install our new ones. So the actual headlight part, wiring is very simple. It just uses the factory clip. Just clips right in. And then I have the switched power, which is this blue wire here. It's going to go into the engine bay for now. Go ahead and remove the protective plastic on it. Slide it into place. So there's 3 rails the headlight goes in on. You have to make sure that all of those are lined up or it's not going to want to go in. Make sure that's in there nice and tight. This side's the same as the other side. Wiring harness clips in here. Run our switched power line into the engine bay. Go ahead and take off the protective coating. Lock it into place, and that side is done now. So with both of the headlights in now, I have the power wires for each one connected here. and then this wire is a combination of those two that goes into the car, and it comes out down here. We're going to be tapping into one of the wires in this switch right here, which will be our switch power. So now that we're in the car, we're going to actually remove this, the headlight switch. This is what turns on your headlights. The way you do that is you push it in, and it it's kind of spring loaded. You push it in, you turn it to the right, and it should then come out. So that comes out very simply, and then we're going to remove this harness from the headlight switch. Go ahead and set that aside. And then the one that we are going to be tapping into on this, I believe, is pin number 2. Just go ahead and check. So right now it is no power. We'll go ahead and switch it to accessory, and now it's suddenly 12 volts. So if you guys are playing along at home, this pin is pin number 2. That is what we're going to be tapping into. So now that I have this green wire, this is what goes to the headlights. Now that I have that ran in here, we can go ahead and put on one of these taps, splice the two together. We'll tuck this wire back there out of the way. Go ahead and plug our switch back in. And then put that back in. Yep, that works. And with any luck, when we turn the key on, our lights should come on. These are a little bit dim. I don't know if you can, I guess you can see that that's on. Let's see what the full setup looks like with the car on, with the headlights on. Let's take a look at the high beam. That's the high beam now. And they're just about as bright as a normal headlight. These are just regular halogen bulbs. So yeah, these were the Spec D Tuning headlights for the Volkswagen Beetle. The presentation of them, they look really good. The only issue is they're kind of dim. Install wasn't too difficult, but my only complaint would be the running lights are kind of dim, and that's the whole selling point of these, that they have the cool halo and the little eyebrow running lights. So I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Be sure to drop a like if you liked the video, dislike it if you didn't, and if you're a first-time viewer, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you all next time.